Hey guys, welcome back to Driving TV. I am Callie, and in today's video, I have prepared for you guys a mini tutorial, step by step, how to park your vehicle. For the first time, you're a beginner driver and you're asking yourself, how do I get this whole parking maneuver right? How do I obtain that skill to easily park without any issue, without hitting the cars on each of your side and just straight? This video is for you. It's not only going to be helpful because your road test, you're required to actually come out of your parking space and go in. And you must do this successfully in order to pass your road test and get your driver's license. So this is something that you will need indeed. So make sure that you guys stay all the way to the end of the video, and I guarantee you that you will learn and know by the end of this video how to park perfect. With that being said, let's get started, and thank you so much for all your comments and just throwing out there all the love, and I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell because I will be posting more videos very, very soon. Thank you, and let's go on to the video.
Straight in parking. Signal your intentions. Before you start, make sure to signal to let other drivers know you are planning to park. This is important as it informs other road users of your intentions and ensures safety overall. Always use your turn signal well in advance so others have time to react. Signaling early gives other drivers and pedestrians a clear indication of your intentions, helping to avoid any confusion or potential accidents. Now, position your vehicle. Line up your car about 2 to 3 feet away from the parking space. Your car should be parallel to the space you want to park in. Make sure you have enough distance to turn into the space comfortably. Being too close to the other cars can make it difficult to turn sharply enough to get into the space. It is also important to align your car correctly. Your rear bumper should be slightly ahead of the parking space lines, in this case the cones, to give you the right angle for turning in. Now, check your surroundings. So, look around for any pedestrians, cyclists, or other vehicles. Use your mirrors to check your blind spots. Remember, we have discussed this in previous videos. This is crucial as you want to make sure that there's no obstacles or people around that you might hit. Always be aware of your surroundings to prevent accidents. It's a good habit to also check for shopping carts, animals, and any other potential hazards that could be in your path. Remember to take a quick look over your shoulder as you will get to a comprehensive view of the area around you. You'll get a more detailed view. Let's just say that. So now, slowly turn into the space. So turn your steering wheel sharply towards the parking space. Keep your speed slow and controlled. Your arms very relaxed also. This gives you a better control of your vehicle and allows you to stop quickly if necessary. Make sure for all purposes that your front bumper clears the car next to the space. Approach the turn with caution and be prepared to adjust your steering if needed. If you find you're turning too wide or too narrow, it's okay. It's okay to make a slight adjustment as you go. Remember, slow, steady is the key to make sure that you have a smooth entry into the parking space. Now we're gonna straighten our wheels. So as you enter this space, straighten your wheels. Continue to pull forward until your car is centered in the space. Look at your side mirrors to make sure that you are at an adequate distance from the lines or cars from your side. You don't want to be too close, so just look around and make sure that you're centered. If you need to adjust, do so carefully. Straighten your wheels, make sure that your car remains aligned and centered. If you find that you're too close to one side, it's perfectly fine to reverse a little bit and realign your car and move forward again. Practicing This will make you feel much more comfortable and help you get a better idea of what I'm telling you and how to handle tight spaces. Now, checking your position, it's important. So make sure that your car is straight and evenly spaced between the lines. Adjust if necessary. If you find yourself crooked or too close to one side, like I said, it's okay to back out and try again. Practice makes perfect. And it's better, much better to take your time and get it right than not. Being well centered in your parking space not only makes it easier for you to get out and as well as go in, but also it makes sure that other cars have enough room to park, maneuver, and all of that, and they don't hit your car and you don't hit their car. It's better and safer. Take a moment to step out and look at from the outside of your car if you need it, just to make sure that your position is correct. Now, always check your mirrors. That's the tip that I can give you guys. Always check your mirrors and surroundings before, during, and after parking. This habit will help you stay aware of any changes in your environment, such as the pedestrians that could be walking by, any other car that is pulling out right behind you. It's also helpful to develop a routine of using the mirrors effectively. It's very important. I spoke to you guys about mirrors and everything that you need to know and how important they are on my last video, that if you haven't checked out, go ahead and do so, because this is crucial for driving. So take your time and don't rush. It would be my other advice. I mean, it's better to be slow and precise than fast and careless. Rushing can lead to mistakes and accidents, and you don't want that. Practicing patience will help you park more accurately. Remember, parking is a skill that improves with time and practice, so be kind to yourself as you learn. Now, practice in an empty parking lot to build your confidence. So the more you practice, the more comfortable you will be. Practice in an empty parking lot to build your confidence. So the more you practice, the more comfortable you will become. Use the lines in the parking lot to practice straight in parking. Set up cones if needed or use markers if available to create realistic parking scenarios. The more varied your practice, the more prepared you will be for different parking situations that you'll encounter in real life and in the road test, because you're going to have to show or demonstrate your parking skills in order to pass. Well, guys, that is it for today's video on how to park for the first time. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Driving TV for more tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and happy parking. Enjoy. See you in the next one.